Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the database JSTOR in our San Jose State University Library webpage and how to do a basic search. The first thing you want to do is find the San Jose State King Library webpage. There's a couple of ways you can get to JSTOR. One is going by research guides. You're going to go here, find art and art history. You can say go. And then here, this is a really great resource for all your research. But for this purpose, we want to find JSTOR. You can see it's where to start, locating books, handouts, newspaper articles. We're going to scroll down to art and art history databases. It's in alphabetical order, and JSTOR is right there. So I'm logged into my campus account, but if I wasn't, you would have to be prompted to put in your campus ID and password. So you want to make sure at the top it says access provided by San Jose State University. Great. So another way to access this database is go back to the home page. You can click articles and databases. And then this is an index of every database we have available through the King Library. It's alphabetical order, so we'll just push J. Scroll down to JSTOR. Same thing. If you're off campus, it'll prompt you to log in, but it says access provided by San Jose State University. So what I really like about JSTOR is that it is a very simple web page. Not confusing. There's one search box. This is the most basic a search is going to be. So search JSTOR. There's also the advanced search tab down here, which I'll go over in another video. But right now we're doing a basic search. I'm going to type in the artist Alan Caprow. So what's really nice about this, without me even pushing enter, it's telling me there's 1,000 different entries on this artist. It's also saying, hey, if you want to search by, Alan Caprow as the author, or if I want to search for Alan Caprow in the title of something, again, publication name. If I don't select one of these, it's going to search the database for any place that says Alan Caprow. So that could be within an article, it can be the article title, it could be the author. So this is, about 1,000 different articles in which Alan Caprow is the subject or is even mentioned. So let's see what the results are. Great. Another really great part of this database for specifically artists and art historians is that JSTOR has a sort of sister database called ArtStore. It knows, it's seeing that Alan Caprow is an artist and there's images associated to him. So it's showing me at the top, hey, if you want to look at images, we have a lot of Alan Caprow images available in ArtStore. So this could also be helpful if you're writing a paper and you want to have some visuals. It's really nice. You can click on this. This is an artwork by Alan Caprow, and it's going to show you the title, the date. So all of your research for just one specific photograph is right here. And you can download a high quality version of this artwork. So because we're trying to find writing about these artists and by these artists, we'll scroll down and look at the actual journal articles. So again, we did a very basic search. It's showing us articles where Alan Caprow is a part of the title. So Alan Caprow's Eat. And you can click on it and we'll wait a second and it will load. It's really nice, very clean. You can see the first page. It looks like this is sort of like a in-memory obituary. But here are the publication details. You can download it by pushing this button. Another feature I really like is Cite This Item. You click that, and it's going to give you an MLA citation, APA, and Chicago. Easily copy it. Very easy function. So let's go back to results. Look at some of the other results. And then if after you searched you think, oh wow, this is way too wide of a search, you can use these fields to narrow it. So, it looks like there are a few book chapters, but I'm only looking for journal articles. So I can click that. It's going to automatically narrow that down. Let's see, I'm looking for articles, later on in his life. He died in 2006, so maybe I will put in this field 1990 to 2000. Apply. Great. So these are articles only within those 10 years. And you can also narrow it by subject. So because I'm, an art student, I'm going to do art and art history. Narrow it down even more. So that is how you do a basic search. If you, want to go back to the beginning and look at all of the search results, you can X out of these easily. Or just push clear all. So there we see the art store again, and we see this one at the top. And that is how you do a basic search.